Hello everyone. Next project is all about the butterfly. For making the butterfly, we have already noted on your screens the dimensions that you need to be cut, and this activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 6 to 7. Some colorful sheets, glue and scissors and you are done. This is very less time consuming and it's very easy as well. Using these different shades of the color, we are going to show you how we can make a zebra. For this, I am making use of this black and the white sheet, and then the cuttings are to be pasted as shown on your screens. This is very easy and very less time consuming and the simple one. With the help of different multiple colorful sheets, we are going to show you how we can make a cute little bird. I'm going to trace down my hand imprints on these colorful sheets, then the cuttings are to be made with the help of the scissors. After that, you just have to paste them over the cardboard piece that is our circular in shape. This activity is again very simple but little bit time consuming. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. You may require cardboard glue stick as well. Next one is very simple. We are going to show you how we can make a caterpillar out of these circular pieces that we are going to fold into semicircles. Then see how I am pasting them one after the another, and the faces to be made out of the circle and antennas are very important. Thank you.